Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I literally have only been editing like all day. So this morning I went to brunch at like 10:30, got home right around 11:45, 12. I think it was maybe about 12. And then I just sat on the couch for like, I don't know, 30 minutes, then cleaned up downstairs, did some dishes, turned the dishwasher on. I'm fluffing laundry now, which I probably need to go fluff again because, you know, there's that. And then sat down here right about 1:30 and I posted on Instagram. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do this. Like, I wanna edit like 9 videos today. I'm like 3 videos in. Although nail videos are always so long to edit, so long, because you have to trim them down, fast forward parts, trim out more parts, then do your voiceover, and then you realize you forgot to trim things, so then you have to stop your voiceover, trim it again, and then redo parts of it. And then the best part about it, one of the best part, when you forget to hit record. Oh yeah, I did that like twice. No, once or twice, I don't know. Although good news is I finally brought up my hard drive. And I'm gonna need a bigger one because I've already almost used a terabyte. Nail videos are so big. So I'm taking like a copy of all my nail videos because those are like really hard. Those are like if I lost my vlogs, if I lost my planner channel, like it would not be a big deal. However, my nail stuff would be a big deal. So I have a lot of it backed up on Dropbox, but I think I'm going to, like, I'll keep those there, but like from now on it'll be on my flash drive. By flash drive I mean like hard drive. Like, so I set this up in a forever vlog ago, so let's see if it will. Yeah, so I don't know, do you guys remember me setting up that plate? Let's see, there we go, in the back of my computer like forever ago. Well, that was for a hard drive. Technically it was supposed to be, well, so I may get 2. I may get one that will be just a backup, because when I put Windows on my computer, I actually, this is kind of like what I do for a living, but it's VMware. I did like, so essentially I dual booted my computer. So I have a Mac and then I put Windows, and I used probably 150 gigs, maybe 120, I don't know. And so I was done with the Windows and I was like, okay, well, I want it back. However, when I deleted it, it like semi-crashed in the middle of it. I don't know why it did that, it just did. So now I just lost that space. Like, it thinks it's used, but it's not. And then when I go look for it to like just put it back together, it says that like it doesn't exist. Like the expanding is only to like the 873, and I should have 1024. That's a terabyte if you guys didn't know, 1024 gigs. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Although now I have 450 gigs free, which is great because I have some videos edited, not edited, and I can go ahead and like start like purging stuff, and then I can edit and upload. I have done pretty much all the nail videos. So I started about 1:30. It's now almost 5:30. So I've been editing for 4 hours and I've only done 3 videos. So my nail channel is like starting to take off. Like, I've tried so hard with my planner channel and like the channel you're watching now. It's so hard. There are so many people who do what I do, and I don't know. I try, I enjoy it still. I just want to say that, like, it not well with me. However, my nail channel is like 8 times the amount of work, and it's not monetized because I don't meet their requirements yet. However, I'm hoping, let's see, as of right now, I have 692 subscribers. You need 1,000 because I'm at the watch time like the first 2 hours of like 2019, not really, but my watch time was, it's like 4,000 watch time, and I think I'm at like 200,000 hours or something like that. It's like really big, surprisingly. I don't know, it's weird. And so now I'm hoping to get that monetized soon, because again, those take forever. But I love that channel. Like, it's so correlated, it's so well done, tooting my own horn. But like, I think if you watch that assumptions like video, you guys will see that I'm trying to be a little bit easier on myself and, you know, toot my own horn when it should be tooted. And this should be tooted because I do really good videos. That's one good thing I can do or say, is that I do really good videos. Just sometimes the return on the investment doesn't always work out. So, okay, I'm gonna end here. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing anything else. I may try to work on some orders that, because I want to get as many done as possible. So yeah. Oh.
Woman, what are you doing for dinner?
It's a much later time. It is 8 o'clock. Just had dinner and sat downstairs for about an hour. I stopped editing right around 7. I've only done 4 videos. It's like, I expected to be faster, but I think my other videos go way faster. Like I said, the nail videos don't go fast. Yeah, I've only done 4 videos. But they're all nail tutorials, so I guess it's not terrible. I got this in the mail, so I ordered it off Amazon. It's not gonna, cause my thing. Has anyone ever used this? So I'm using this to help with my texture of my skin. One of my coworkers, who, she has like the most beautiful skin. She's vegan, uses like all these like natural products and stuff, so probably because she's vegan, that's why she has really pretty skin. And well, this person has like a recipe. I've never used this before. There's another one she suggested, it was like $40, but there's one that actually I wanted to try. It may be called Sunday something. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I really think that's what it is. Yeah, Sunday Riley. But there was another thing that I really like saw. It was on Macy's, because I'm not ordering $40 off thing off normal. That said, what did it say? 3 to 4 drops. I have a big face, so let's try. You ready? 1, 2, 3. We'll start with 3. And you know, well, that smells interesting. Can't believe I'm putting oil on my face. Oh, it makes that face feel nice. My face is even more red than I started off. I'm gonna take one more drop because around here is really dry. Cannot believe I am putting oil on my face right now. Yeah, 4 drops for me. Yeah, it smells weird. It smells like chai seeds. Like, you know when you like open up a package and it's like, so, okay. We'll try it out. If I have more of these things that are happening, although, and they're not so bad right now. Actually, it doesn't really feel that oily, because like I literally don't feel like I have like any oil on my hands. Although I don't know, that's not gonna show, but like I don't feel oily. Interesting. Down here a little bit I do, but like here I don't. Interesting. Maybe she got something good and I'm trying to. What did she say though? She said UFO. So Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. This one was 1 fluid ounces. 1 fluid ounce. I speak more good. And this was like $11 or $12. I can link it below. The Sunday Riley is a ½ an ounce, so half the size of this, and it was $40. But I may look at Macy's, because like I said, there's a whole bunch on sale. Not on sale, but they sell it at Macy's, so I may. I'm about to be 30. I got to invest into keeping my skin so my skin nice. Because you know, you don't want any of that stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get back to editing some more. But yeah, let me know if you've used this. I think. Alright, so it's focusing on me. I don't want to focus on me. Okay, so I did do some orders. I have some over there, and then I'm in the process of doing more orders. So these are the new heart. Is that still silver? No, that's gold. The new heart. There you go. Like clear overlays. Real excited. And then this is the freebie. I did the, I know it's focusing on me. So I did a pink on pink. So it's like a little subtle, kind of like a hidden gem, but like, look at how cute these are. Just a little hidden gem. These aren't sold in shop, just the clear ones. So these are like only in a freebie. And then once these guys are out, I'll move to like maybe shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day. I don't know. So I'm doing something really exciting. I feel like I can share it. I think I can. Maybe I won't. Let's just say I'm teaming up with someone to give out at a table. Something. We'll see if you find out. Or if you know. You may know. I don't know. I'll tell you later. Because it's in like a month. So, process of elimination there. So this is a jelly roll. I love it. And then I used a brush marker and a 0.08 to do that. Now, I'm gonna let that dry some so I don't smear it. Hey guys, happy Sunday. It is playoffs day and I'm a Patriots fan. I don't know if people know that because I'm from New England, even though I live in Georgia. And right now they're winning, thank goodness. I didn't know if they would get this far. Like I didn't know if they're gonna win this, but they're winning up by 1 touchdown. Fingers crossed. Yeah, so I am working on Henrietta. We are going to do another couple tutorials. So, and then I'm gonna go back to editing and then orders. So yeah, I have a busy day. Current score is 22-41. I don't know how many, yeah, 22-41, less than 7 minutes left. So exciting. Beamy's in here. We gotta go stop him from eating my ink because that would be bad. What a jerk. He gets in everything. Dude, the Saints. That poor guy on the Eagles who missed that catch at the end. It's not his fault that they lost, but it was the last play of, I shouldn't say the last play. They were going for, I think, a first down, and it like went through his fingers, and essentially the Saints caught it and then won. So that poor guy, he's gonna feel like the weight is on top of him, even though you could clearly see that everyone was trying to comfort him. I just feel so bad for him. Yeah, I'm gonna work on some orders. It is 8 o'clock.